We're in a Kurokawa Onsen area in Kumamoto Prefecture. Very famous hot springs resort area. And we are at a Ryokan, a traditional Japanese style inn. And this is called Gosho Gekkoju ですよね。で、これは Tenshin っていう部屋。This is called Tenshin. So let's take a look. So this is the entrance. So we're just checking in. I have a different room, but this is Tenshin, which is closest to the main area. And also you can take a cart. They'll take you on a cart. どうぞ. They'll take you on a cart. So those with weak knees or bad hips or whatever, this is a very convenient room in terms of the location. So this is kind of the dining area with a irori hearth. So you can actually have meals served in your room, which is kind of nice. There's a mini bar with complimentary drinks, looks like. So let's show you this. Let's slide open this. So you can just slide that closed. And then we open this up. Okay, so that's just clothes, or futons. Anyway, so this is the little distracted because people are going through the check-in process in the room. So this is the living area with a TV. And then this is the bedroom. You can see that they have really pretty yukata that you can wear while staying here. Let's see what's in here. A closet. And some more stuff to wear. All right. So this is the bedroom. And the living area, Japanese style here. And then there's even a sofa here where you can sit. And then looks like here there's a deck, and you can see that there's a lot of lush greenery and a bath, hot springs. Anyway, so let's go in here. Wash basin, a massive bathroom. Yep. Toilet. And then over here is, let's see, the shower. Pretty high ceiling here. And then there's an indoor onsen bath. Looks really nice. Wow. Okay. And then, of course, wow. 見てごらん。でっか外の. This outdoor onsen hot springs bath. Wow, this is massive. Could fit quite a few people here. Wow. ママ見てごらんこれすごい. So let's get a better angle at this, the sheer massive size of this hot springs bath and this deck. Anyways, you can see there's total privacy, obscured by the foliage. So you can see the room. And then over here was the bedroom, or is. And wow. You can have a big party here. So anyways, this is the outdoor onsen natural hot springs bath. This is the indoor, which also looks really, really nice. Especially if you're like in the dead of winter and it's cold, it's good to warm up by going in the indoor onsen bath and then take the plunge outdoors. Anyway, so this is Tenshin. It's a good room. It's not the highest category room, but it's the most convenient for those who are unable to climb a lot of stairs or just walk a long distance. So this is closest to the main reception area, and they can take you to a cart, and the room is near the pathway. So anyways, Gosho Gekkoju, the room is Tenshin. And actually, so they brought some welcome tea. Hi, let's see what she has brought for us. Didn't really spend much time showing this. じゃあ夕食はここのいろりで食べるんですね。はい、そうですね。こちらになります。午後だけはつけといてください。ここはつけて。あと寒くなる。はい、ありがとうございます。何でしょう。
こちらは水晶餅ですね。抹茶の
水晶餅？
はい。
どういうものなんですか？
中にですね、抹茶のあんこが入っております。
おお。はい、So this is called 水晶餅. So rice cake, sticky rice, glutinous rice cake with 抹茶の？
抹茶。
Okay, so it's green tea paste, sweet red green tea paste. Usually they have what's called anko, which is red bean, but this is green tea paste. いただきます。Anyways, Gosho Gekkoju. We'll show you my room after this.